Carbon is the native disassembler in Cerberus suite. It was designed to be fast and supports PE, Mach-O, and ELF binaries. It supports multiple architectures and comes with integrated SLA decompiler. With Carbon, you can analyze shellcode, the address space of raw Windows memory dumps, the address space of Windows kernel dumps, and of Windows mini dumps. You can load debug symbols, define and undefine code, define data, add comments, rename variables, inspect lists, flag locations in the code, inspect cross-references, and much more. Check out our videos to see Carbon in action.